So in this video we're going to be going through checking in daily. So you can see here it's top left. So all we do is click on the button, and as you can see here there aren't many things to fill out, but it's obviously important you start collating information on a day-to-day basis. So if we put today's date in, you see it's nearly New Year, and then you can put how many hours sleep you had. So that would be from the night before. So let's just say 7. Quality was good. Enter my weight, what my weight was this morning. So it was 100, not 1,000. Good Christmas. And then how have I felt today? So I felt on the whole quite good. And then what you do in the morning is fill out kind of things that you're going to do today. So you don't have to do all 5, it might just be 2, it might just be 3. So for me it might be drink 2+ litres of water, weight train, eat more protein, get accounts finished. I don't know why I've done that in caps. Finished. So it might just be, exercise related, health related, or it might be just things that you need to get done anyway, just like business wise, or general lifestyle stuff. But the good thing is you can come back in at the end of the day and just see whether you've completed them or not. So say fill out that field, sleep better. Okay, so save that. Okay, that's all saved in. Okay, and then that's logged in your system. So that's basically as easy as to check in daily for you on a day-to-day basis.